guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, WORKitOUT. Firstly, wishing you all a very happy Diwali, guys. Have a happy and an amazing Diwali. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a quick, simple, healthy and low in calorie sweet recipe which can also be served as a mithai to all your guests. So without any further delay, let's get into the making.
We need just 3 ingredients for this recipe. Crushed walnuts, which is good for your health. Melted dark chocolate, which is again good for your skin and low in calories. And just a tablespoon of melted butter. An ice tray and a brush. Now add crushed walnuts into the melted chocolate and mix it well. The final mixture should look like this. Now grease the tray with a little bit of butter so that the chocolate does not stick to the tray. Put the dark chocolate and walnut mixture into the ice tray. After you fill in the mixture. Now put in a few chopped walnuts on the top. Now put the tray inside the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Your healthy, low in calorie walnut dark chocolate bars are ready to eat. Have an amazing Diwali, guys!
So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you liked the video, do hit the like button, share the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel WORKitOUT. I will be back next week with a new video. Till then, if you have any video ideas related to WORKitOUT, do let me know in the comment section below. I will try uploading the same. For more updates, stay connected to my Facebook and Instagram page and do follow the same. I have added the links to my Facebook and Instagram account in the description below. Until next time, stay happy. Bye.